What's good, InCAR.nation family? Welcome back again to another video. I know it's been a while. I've been missing it for a while, but there was actually a lot going on. So today I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. We're gonna work on that car, on Isaac's Golf. We're gonna do mountings, I think, ball joints, and a fuel pump. So stay tuned and let's do it. So as you can see, we're gonna work on the Golf today. We're gonna do some mountings. We're gonna change some mountings. Sorry for the view, but we're gonna change some mountings. And as I said, not mountings, bushings. I'm gonna change these bushings out. And fuel, and we're gonna replace this fuel pump. So yeah. And it's hot outside, 34 degrees. Heat is unbearable. So yeah, let me switch on the aircon. We have aircon now. Yeah. There's the guy. So I actually said we're gonna change the fuel pump, and it's not the fuel pump. We're gonna replace the oil pump. This oil pump. So yeah, I think we're gonna do that. So I'll put the phone down and show you when we got home. So as you can see, currently removing the ball joint. The ball joint is held by three bolts, and then you just tighten it underneath. So if you have a Golf, this is how it's supposed to look. And this one is short. You can see it's not supposed to make that sound, and it's not supposed to be that loose. And here's the replacement part. As you can see, it's not even supposed to be that loose. Check. Oh yes. In comparison with this one. See?
So mobile lang job geweest het tussen zij. Ik heb het afgehaald.
Maar je hebt dat alle goed afgestrekt.
Nee.
Alles.
Net voor mij in te komen bij boy.
bushing, bushing there. So all you need is two 13 spanners, and then you just slide the bushing in. That is the owner. Yeah, so this is how it looks. 60 rand a joint, nearest Midas, and then you can replace it for smoother gear changes.
Hele bushing is weg. Maar nou na die
gaan hij smooth is.
Toekomen 100. Kijk, ja, dat is nog steeds. Zeker pionier, ja.
Glier.
Ja, is 2 gliers onderin.
Ik zie dat zo doen net.
Die enetjie. Hy gaan die boog oor inskryf. Netjie, okay, die enetjie skryf in die middel.
Zo goeie is
ja.
jy.
Ja, hy moet net stap. Wag op. Kyk. Zet jou. Ek sê hy maar nou dit daar. Hulle leen my battery. Want hulle sit mense stuk in mekaar en staan. Dis fyn. Maar wie gaan nog meer nuwe derrings is? 'n bonnet kabel.
Oh, en ek sien nou kyk. Nou moet nog maar.
Sien dan ek skep maar met die tang. Dit met tang, net vir. Maar speet. Ek sê die man, die bonnet van my makkie. Ja. Dit maak die bonnet by jou. Hulle kom en die ding is die bra. Jy haal nou die bonnet, die maak Hy het nog so 'n drukkie. Maar hy gaan inbied.
Zet hem mooi in. Asean. Kay nou. Mike. Rekam ko yan. So yeah, Isaac just left. His car is sorted out. We didn't shoot an outro. We haven't shot a proper outro on his car because he was in a hurry. But I thought maybe I can show you, give you an update on what I did on my car since the last video you saw. So yeah, let me show you. We are here. Let me just show you. So I have fitted the banner, full of a black banner on the car. That sticker is already on the car. I'm sure you're familiar with the sticker. So I shall have the key inside now. Hold on, let me quickly grab the key. As I said, I did a few mods in the car, which I will show. Not mods necessarily, but few other stuff. I have fitted lower profile tires in the car. It came with 205 55, so I fitted 195 50 15s in the car for a nicer look. Or at least I think. Told you about the banner. In the interior, nothing much. I did window tint. Wow, I did window tint full out. Light, I think this is 5% if I'm not mistaken. I don't even know the percentage of the tint, but I know it's not that dark. It's the lightest one you can get. In the interior, nothing much. I have in the interior. I fitted a Bose knob to my tape, to my sound, which was actually it. Move to the rear. Let me show you. I did the tailpiece. I did in the previous video, I think. Yeah, in the rear, I'll show you now. I have cleaned up my boot. So as you can see, I have mounted the it's a bit dusty. I've mounted the monoblock against the seat, and yeah, there's the 12 inch sub. So yeah, it's a bit neater at the back. So that's about it. As you can see, this side. I still need to replace one tire. This one is still a 205 55. So yeah, still need to replace that tire, that side. Yeah, if someone can sponsor me. Just kidding. Yeah, I still need to replace that one, and that's about it. It's about all I did on the car. As you know, car is quite neat, but except for that, tinted the side markers. But the thing is, I'll replace them shortly, soon. I'm just waiting for the package. I've already ordered the tint out, the blackout ones. So yeah, need to replace those. I've also fitted mud flaps. I told you in the previous video that I was gonna fit mud flaps, but I never showed you. Let me quickly show you how the car looks from behind with the universal mud flaps. So I don't know if you can see, but if you check there and there, you will see it fits quite good for universals. It's quite a good fit, as you can see in the arch. Quite a good fit for universals. Those are universals in the front. I haven't fit those in the front because as we all know, it's universals, and the universals, I don't get the correct fitment for the front. So that's about it. That's about all I did on the car. There's many more to come. We just need to gather all the funds. So yeah, thank you for watching this episode. And stay tuned for the next one. Please remember to like and subscribe, and yeah, comment down below what you think, what mods I should do. In the beginning of this car, when I first purchased the car, in the beginning, I told you guys I wanted to fit a rear spoiler. Didn't get one, still looking for one. So yeah, if you know about one, if you know about people who have one, link me up. Thanks.